morning and welcome to Faith Assembly Uxbridge. You are welcome to a place to belong, serve and grow. Thank you for joining us today. We are excited to see you today, as today is the day that the Lord has made and we will rejoice and be glad in it. If it is your first time here, we look forward to meeting you, getting to know you and helping you get connected. Because we're here to love and help people. Develop a faith that is real. And friends that are true to impact the world for Christ. Coming up this week. Wednesday, the day of our expository Bible study. Time is 7:30 p.m. prompt. On Friday, start your weekend gloriously. Power Night, a time of faith building and prayers. The time is 7:30 p.m. Coming up next month. Business Analysis Academy, a course to help non-tech professionals pivot into the tech industry. First week in November. Kindly register your interest with Bro Chris Oyaniyi or Bro Victor Ajayi. Also in November. Together, Love and Marriage Retreat. Special announcement. Welfare Corner. The welfare team is inviting all church members to make donations to the Welfare Corner. Items required are clothing/coats, blankets/hot water bottles, shoes, bags, toys, small household items, not electrical. Is now time for the quiz of the week. What are the 5 essential elements of prayer? Confession, petition, intercession, thanksgiving and praise. Now it is offering time, blessing time. Let's honor our God by offering our best with a cheerful heart. The Lord loves a cheerful giver.